everyone. Can you believe it? We're already on February. Brr, it's cold outside. Okay, so you know that this year we've had a big change in how we're doing the Pick a Stick Challenge. This is the third year of Pick a Stick Challenge. Can you believe it? And we just keep growing and changing. And we thought we'd shake it up a bit for this year because there's a lot of things that we can learn about. So I have a basket full of colorful sticks here, and the reason for the colors, because of the categories: product, technique, description, action, color, and shape. And the way we're drawing this time, we need 2 product, 2 technique, 1 description, 2 action, 2 color, and 1 shape, because there's 6 steps, 2 wild cards, and 2 colors for the Pick a Stick Challenge. So I'm gonna grab another dish. I've got a container here, and what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and pull those sticks. So I need 2 green ones. So there's 1. Oops, get this over here. I need 2 green. So there's 1, 2 green. I need 2 oranges. So it's 1, 2 orange. I need 1 blue. Oh, how can we only have 1 blue? Good grief. Okay, 1 blue. Action is red, which is 2 action. Okay. And 2 purple, which is the color, and I know why those are purple, because Shell is the color girl. So I'm going to grab 2 purple, and then 1 shape, which is the yellow. So the very last one is the shape. And so now we've got our sticks. So I'm going to set my big basket aside, because these are not going to go back into that basket. We're using these, so we're not going to use them again this year. So I've got these. Now the first thing I need are the colors. So the 2 purple sticks are the colors, so I got to pull those out first. And they are, oh boy, burnt umber and royal. Okay, burnt umber and royal are our colors. So I'm going to get another jar, because those are going right back into a jar. And let me get a pencil. Yeah, that one doesn't write. Burnt umber. And royal. So I need to do the graphic for that. And then we start with the steps. So I need a product to start with, which would be a green. So that's going to be gesso. It's a good one to start with, right? And then we need a technique. So I'm going to pick a orange, which is drip. And then we need a descriptive, which is blue. Angular, that's a good word. And then we need an action, which is crumble. And we've already got our colors, so we got a shape, which is cloud. And then we need 2 wild cards. How did I end up with the wrong amount? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need another one. 2 product. I guess I'll do another product, which is bleach. Okay. Then we have 2 left over that are wild cards. And those are going to be glue and stitch. Okay, so let me get those all marked down, and then we'll come back and do the pull for the ATC. Alrighty, so we have our picks for our Pick a Stick challenge. Now it's time to do the artist trading card challenge. And for that, we do need one color. This was the step sheet from January. So the colors were in the purple. I need to pick a purple. So the color I am picking is Burnt Umber. So get rid of the other purple stick. And then I've got my sticks here. I just need to pick from these. I'm going to grab a stick, and it's bleach. Grab another stick, which is drip. And we need a third one, which is going to be glue. And then a wild card. So the last one is the wild card, and that's going to be gesso. So there's our picks for the artist trading card and for the Pick a Stick challenge. A couple of things, yeah, I'm going to get rid of those because we're not going to use those again. The pick now for this year, the pull is going to be on the very first of the month, which is today. And then the video is going to be the first Friday of the month, which is going to be for February, which is tomorrow, which is the 2nd. So watch for our videos tomorrow. Both Shell and I will be putting our videos up for you. And I hope you're enjoying this challenge. Let us know how you like the changes, what you're thinking about it. Be sure and use the hashtags. For January, it was hashtag Pick a Stick Challenge. That would be 0118, and hashtag Pick a Stick Challenge ATC 0118. And for February, it will be Pick a Stick Challenge PASC 0218 and PASC ATC 0218. And I'll get the graphics done. They'll be in the Facebook group. Be sure and look in the description box below if you want to join us. The link to the Facebook group is going to be there. And I hope to see you soon. I hope to see what you're making, because this is a lot of fun, isn't it? So thanks for stopping by, and be sure and be kind, because you make a difference. Bye, guys.